YouTubers. Okay, welcome to my next video. Welcome to the channel. If you don't know the channel, if it's your first time, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like my content, please hit the like button. On today's video, I'm gonna install or replace the window motor. So the passenger window motor didn't work like from the first 2 months that I owned the car. So finally I've received one and I will be replacing it today. Let's get started. Okay, just to prove that it's not working, it has power, and if I hit the button over here, you can hear it clicking. So it does have power, but it's not working. And then again from this side, if I hit the power button, you can hear it, but it's not working. Not up or down. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, there's a bolt hidden behind the door handle. There's a bolt in here, and then if you take off these covers, there's a few bolts over there, and then there's a few bolts around the corners or at the edges that you need to loosen, and then you get to the door panel, in the inside door panel, and also the motor. Okay, so I didn't have the bolts around the edges, it's only clips. So after you remove those clips, the panel, you just need to unhook these for the door handle to be opened, and then you are at this stage. Okay, so I unplugged the switch for the window and also the motor. Okay, so this is the door panel from the inside. As you can see, it's only clips that you need to remove, it's not bolts. And then you just slide it upwards out of the window slot, and then you have to undo these pins for the door handle, and then that's about it. Okay, sad thing that I just saw, well, it's not actually sad for me, I'll just fix it. The door handle at the top has been broken. As you can see, it's only fastened, it's only as one piece as it should be at this edge. The rest is broken down, so I'll need to fix that as well, but it's an easy fix.
We both have thoughts of leaving when thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out, 'cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. But this time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where sun go down under sea.
Moment of truth. Testing. Yeah. Okay. On. Okay.
Moment of truth.
So for the next part, it's Nissan safety feature that they've built in. So if you have this problem, you will have this problem. You can turn it up all the way up, and it will stay there. But then if you close the door, for instance, it will go down to a certain height by itself. So you need to reset the window motor. Now, how to do that? While your car is on accessories too, over here on the motor, I will put in a photo at the top of the other motor, how this button looks from when the motor is outside. You need to hold that, and after the window is all the way down, hold that, turn the window all the way up, and you can leave both. Then you press this reset button and turn the window all the way down. If the up and down doesn't work, try by resetting it from reverse. So first you need to start from the top, you press the reset button, turn the window all the way down and leave both buttons. Then you do it again, press the reset button and the up button, close the window all the way and leave both buttons. Mine work by doing up first and then down. You can try both. Okay, so to show you it works, it doesn't go down anymore. So now it's done. It's resetted. Okay, so I used plastic weld to make this nice as one piece, and now it will work again as it should.
I wanna